Gone. Where are you gone again? You're in Belair. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Room, it's knock knock 1 to 1. Nilock ng dad. Yung room namin. Yan yung mga room pa dyan. Sa likod ng room namin may parang maliit na lake. Oh. Go.
Hi! Say hi, Gon.
We have...
I really want to see what's this room.
This is the
What's this room? Why
CR.
what's in this?
What? It's another door.
Wait.
Another door?
Hot and cold shower.
What? Why there's a door in another door?
That's the connector.
I think this is the other room, the 120.
Spacious. You can run.
What?
Oh, gone and give. Stay there, nah. Daddy and mommy will be here. They have cabinets.
That's weird. We can enter
Oh, ito yung hanap ni Daddy, ref. Pero luma na, oh. Luma na yung mga furniture nila. Oh, meron silang kape. And king bed. King size. Dude, queen lang to eh.
Papi, mommy.
Yes?
I see something.
Hey, what is that?
This is coming.
Daddy, can we open this?
No.
Huh?
Where is the light?
Di, see, ang lakas ng hangin. Lakas ng hangin. Hey, ang lakas ng wave. Tara, let's see the wave there. Tara, Gon. Gabe, let's go. You can play here, oh. Gon, come on, Gon. So nice. Tayo. Okay. Ay, that's how chicken boy. He's scared of the wind. Ah, you're scared of the wind. Okay. Hindi na tayo lalabas. Tayo na lang, Gib. Tayo na lang, Gib. Come on. It's just a wind. Try the dad. Pag love. Na love. Pag marami kayo, no?
Look, it's our neighbor.
Yeah, that's our neighbor. Now, I mean, if you are with your Lola or Muma, if you bring Lola and Lolo here, we can book for another room, oh. Tabi-tabi, no? Sarap. Love. Yung tabi-tabi kayo dito, no? Dito tayo dada. Hindi, may second din yan. Dito tayo. Oh, yan lang yung pool. Ang lapit lang ng pool. Ha?
Yun!
Yeah, yan lang yung pool. But let's look the beach.
I want to go.
Let's check
And then I will go.
Let's check out the beach.
Yeah, I'll take off my slippers and cross the wave.
And what is this? Belair International Pro. Ay, surfing. Hey, ang hangin. Hey, high tide. High tide. Look.
It's there. There's a tsunami.
Tsunami daw. Ay, look at the lift. Yun yung Godzilla na sinasabi mo. That one, no? That one, give on, diba? The camera, look at the camera. Oh, yan. Yeah, that's fine.
There's another mountain. Wait, they're surfing!
Where?
They're surfing!
Let's see. Let's see.
Let's swim!
Wait. Let's see how they surf.
Everybody's going back there.
Balik na. Yun na yung room namin. Diyan na yung room namin. Ayun na yung room namin. Okay? Sobrang hangin. Pero gusto pa rin nila mag-swimming. Gusto nilang i-try dito mag-swim. Pero meron namang mas magandang pool doon. Saan tayo kumain? Sa kusina. Ayan. Nakaapak kami. We're waiting for our order number 5. Nagkumo.
If you move on the other side.
That's your food.
You move on the other side.
Inihaw, liempo, buttered shrimp, and dinakdak.
Okay, give nga to.
Good morning! Gone, and give. Check down namin yung beach and the pool. Where are you, Gib? I cannot see you. Saan na si Gib? Where's Gib?
Over there.
Eh? Remove that! Let's go na!
I have mommy. What's a small glass for mommy? What's a small golly?
I don't know. Oh, it's not windy? Yeah, it's not windy anymore.
Let's swim now.
Wait, I don't have sleepers. Where's my sleepers? Where's your sleepers, guys? Dito na, sumama ka sa amin. Wala ka namang ginagawa dyan. Nanonood ka lang ng ganyan, no? Andito ka na kung nanonood ka pa rin ng
Can we
ganyan.
feel the beach? Can we play with the beach sand?
Mas magano mo breakfast muna, tapos play na. O, tara, let's... Oh, come on. Over here. Where's the island? Ayan, parang di mo yung island. Oo nga. Waves. So many waves, no? Well, let's go. Let's go down. You want to go down? Go. Ano yung sila?
I want to go up.
Sabi na, give! It's okay, that's just slippers. There, oh! Ayun! There! Say thank you, give! There, oh! Thank you po. Takot siya eh. Natakot na isa. Takot siya. Ay talaga hindi pa siya takot. Ay, tignan mo yung batang yun. Gip! Takot yung isa. Ito, sugod ng sugod. We're having breakfast. Where's Kuya Gib? Let me assign. Gib, you want to stay there? You will sit there na lang? Ha? Just sit there na. It's okay if you want to sit there. No. Tara. Let's find place there. Oh. Look at the food.
Watermelon.
The suman. Bread. Atsara. Sausage. Tomato. Oh, bacon. This is, I thought it's tuyo. It's fish. I don't know what kind of fish. Condiments. There's egg. I think may egg dito. Pancake.
At least mga 1 hour din siguro yun.
Egg. Champurrado. What is this? Champurrado. Garlic rice. What? Pansit. Chicken macaroni.
Ano? Anong tawag mo dito?
Sopas. Rice caldo. Mga toppings. They're eating pancakes.
Spice this, Mommy.
Tapos beachfront.
Blow my nose.
You want to blow your nose? Okay, we're going home, pero before going home, pupunta muna kami sa mga pinupuntahan dito sa Baler. Sa museum. Doon sa may puno. At kung saan-saan.
We're going to SM first.
Wala SM dito.
No, we're going to go in the SM.
Baba.
Not in this place. We're going to go in the...
Hindi SM. Diyan lang sa bayan. Gusto ko makita yung bayan ng Baler. Let's go. Bye, Costa Pacifico. Nag-video din siya.
I picture you. There's another one.
Where are you gone? Dito kami sa Museo de Baler. Ayan. Museo de Baler. Cute ni Gan. What is this? The owner of the post.
How about this?
The olden times, they just made the bike like this.
The olden times ka pa dyan. Meron naman playground sa Pampanga. Talagang mag-playground pa dito.
This is Carlos Yulo.
What? Carlos Yulo? Inisip ko pa sino si Carlos Yulo.
Carlos Yulo, kay chat Carlos Yulo.
Funny. Ayan, pag meron kayong mga bata, gusto nyo pang pumunta dito. Para naman walang ganyan sa Pampanga, no? Dito lang yan, sa likod ng Baler sign. Kaya after nyo mag-picture doon, huwag na kayo pumunta dito. Ayan, first time natin sa church na to, so let's pray. And humiling tayo. Next is yung Aurora House. Aurora House pa to? O basta. Katabi lang niya yung church. Kaharap lang pala niya. Tapos ito yan. Tapos may bayad. 50 pesos yata per adult. Pero libre yung bata. Parang yung sa museum. Anong ano to? Anong bahay to? Bahay niya. Bahay niya. This is the living room. It's the living room. Ganda ng bahay ko, no? House tour. This is the dining. Dining. Ganda. And then ito siguro ano yung magiging dito siguro dahil kitchen to dito mag-prepare ng food. Open pala siya open concept dining, living, tapos you have the room, you have one bedroom. Ito ang sinaunang plancha. Lalagay ka na dyan. Bigat niya. Tourist map of Baler. Bago kami umuwi, lunch muna. Order na tayo doon? Sigang. You want sigang? Kaya burger, oh. You want sigang na. Give you want sigang? Nasa kubli kami. Kubli. There you go. Yan ang aming pagkain. Dalawa lang aming in order. Pork sigang, walang kamatayang sigang. And binusog na pusit. Nabusog talaga siya.
My family is a pupo in Philippines. Yeah, everyone is pupo.
Yan, ito ay tulog. Tulog siya, tulog. Sige, kain muna kami.